I think I was 5 years old when I told my parents for the first time that I wanted to play violin. We were lucky enough to have a music school nearby, and they put me in violin lessons since I was 6, and I continued learning all through my school years. And it was just a way for me to kind of escape the responsibilities of school and just do something that's a little bit more fun. What I've learned in music is very applicable to science and just career in general, because when you think about learning an instrument, it takes so many hours of dedication and just focus and discipline to be able to get better, improve, and move on to the next piece and the next challenge. I grew up in Mayagüez, Puerto Rico. I was born and raised there. I also went to college in Mayagüez at the University of Puerto Rico at Mayagüez. Both of my parents are scientists. My mom specifically, she's a chemist, and my dad, he's a microbiologist and also a medical technologist. I'm in Amir Mitchell's lab in the systems biology department. The lab in general studies host-drug microbiome interactions, and my project specifically right now is focused on understanding antimicrobial peptides and their effect on bacteria. And the reason we're interested in AMPs is because they can serve as an alternative or an adjuvant to current antibiotics, because as we know, antibiotics are not always effective due to antimicrobial resistance. I would love to be a pediatric doctor that also has my own research laboratory, and I feel like I could really merge both things in order to advance science and medicine.